can you help us understand, when is it worth it to pay that little bit of extra and when is it not? And what analysis should we be doing there?
Yeah, so I think when it comes time to that, I'm very skeptical of sort of extended warranties or anything or insurance or things like that when it comes to sort of products that over the long haul. Generally, like most academic research shows that you end up paying more than you would if you had to replace it. Like I'm thinking like for your cell phone or for a big appliance, the amount of monthly premium that you paid, you would have actually just been better off buying something new because it doesn't tend to break as often as you might think. And we have these sort of notions in our head that this expensive thing is going to break pretty quickly. When it comes other stuff, I think does make a little bit of sense when it comes to like if you think about travel, for instance, right? So under certain circumstances, I think it makes sense for to do a big travel to buy travel insurance. So I wouldn't think about travel insurance in most cases. You know, with your if it's just you traveling or you and a friend or a spouse or whatever, and it's a trip that's sort of short, you know, not that expensive. You buy it with your credit card. That tends to come with some protections. But if you're doing a big family trip that costs a lot of money and it sort of involves a lot of different people and a bunch of logistics, and you're getting to a place at a time, and something really bad happens like COVID or you know grandma gets sick and she can't come now, or like little Timmy breaks his arm and you have to call the whole thing off, that you're gonna have a harder time getting covered for with your credit cards. So when it comes to something that's sort of that's precious, that's only gonna happen once or twice, like these sort of big family trips or something like that, once in a lifetime trips, think about getting travel insurance that sort of protects you no matter what happens and will give you some high percentage of your the value that you paid, give you that back to you if something bad happens. And it's never really fun to pay that out, but when it comes time to those big sort of precious things, I think it's worthwhile.